Hello students, welcome to Cbse classes. So we'll continue our discussion on solution for UGC NET 2018 paper 2 for economics. So today we'll be first looking at question number 22. So in question number 22 it is given let elasticity of demand for export for a certain country be EX and elasticity of demand for imports be EM. So first we need to write down the elasticity of export is EX and elasticity of import is EM. So now assume that the country devalues its currency. So they are talking about devaluation. So we'll look into this thing, what is called devaluation. Then finally they have said that it is balance of payment will almost certainly show an improvement in if EX plus EM is greater than 1, EX plus EM is equals to 1, EX plus EM is less than 1, or this. So we have to figure out which one is the right answer. So before getting into it, first we have to explain what is devaluation. Now coming to the definition of devaluation. So a devaluation basically means the value of currency falls. So devaluation basically means the value of currency falls. So domestic resident will find imports and foreign travel more expensive. So however, domestic export will be benefited from their export becoming cheaper. So first of all we need to remember what that is. Domestic residents will find import and foreign travel more expensive. So EM will become more expensive, that is import will become more expensive, and however domestic export will benefit from it by becoming cheaper. So export will become cheaper. So now as you can see, when EX plus EM is greater than 1, it eventually says elasticity for export plus elasticity for import is greater than 1. And so in this case what happens is that when elasticity of export and import is greater than 1, we know the balance of payment will improve. Now how it happens, in order to know more about it, I'll make another video, but for the time being just know that whenever elasticity of export plus elasticity of import is greater than 1, we say that is there will be improvement in balance of payment. Now when elasticity of export and import is less than 1, we say there is deterioration in balance of payment. So for that we know for question number 22 the right answer is option 1. So for question number 22 the right answer is option 1. Now we'll go to question number 23. So in question number 23 we can see